I want to talk to you about fear. In my work with innovation at the intersection of psychology and innovation and creativity, it's become so apparent to me that fear is our biggest limiting factor. It can be small things, as small as somebody not putting up their hand in a meeting because they think, "Ooh, my idea might sound silly, I might lose face." But at the other end of the scale, it could be a manager thinking, "Well, you know what? I'm not sure we should go ahead with this. I'm not sure we should push the green light on this because I am not completely convinced of its success. What if my name is attached to a failure? What if this program is not as successful as we want it to be? There goes my promotion. There goes my job. Better to stay with a safety catch on and not do anything." And therefore we become absolutely paralyzed by fear, and inertia grips us. So I've been exploring this whole concept of fear of failure. And the good news is there are absolutely success strategy solutions that we can put in place for your team. I've consulted a number of experts, from academics all the way through to people who face the fear of failure on a daily basis. People like military parachute instructors, bomb disposal experts, Hollywood stunt doubles, and Olympic coaches. What is it that we're really afraid of? And when we stop to explore that and to examine it and break it down, we can put frameworks against it. Easy to implement, easy to follow, easy to understand. And suddenly you see people loosening up. Suddenly you see the creative conference returning. And people feel, yeah, not only I can do this, but let's do this. So, if fear of failure is something which is a limiting factor or potentially limiting factor in your organization, holding you back from much needed innovative behaviors, head across to hotheads-innovation.com and get in touch with me today so that we can explore the fear of failure with you together.